See the texture of the cake noodle? With the sauce dripping on it. Oh my god, it's so good. Oh. How's it? Aloha's your ankh. This is an island favorite. It's called minute chicken cake noodle. Oh, I love this dish. It's just crunchy and silky smooth and soft in the middle, and it's super easy to make. And the minute chicken too, I did it all in one. Now of course I'm going to eat it afterwards too. So please hit that like and subscribe button. We're going to be making minute cake noodles today, and here we go with how I did it. Fitness, foodies, and the fabulous absurd. From burpees to Camus, you're never gonna know what you're gonna get from your ankh, burpee yoga uncle. Really simple. You can use any kind of veggie, and the minute chicken recipe is right there. It's very simple to make. And then what you want to do is also cook the Japanese ramen beforehand and dry it in a colander for a while. What I'm going to do is, this is the final result of what I cooked. I'm going to show you my mukbang first because I kind of recorded it and I forgot. So here we go with it, and then I'll also show you how I cooked it on the little screen, and as well as when I'm finished doing the mukbang, the whole thing. Alright, thanks a lot for stopping by. It's your Uncle Burpee Yoga. I thought I was recording, but I ate almost all of it already. This is cake noodle. They call it minute kai min bang. Minute chicken is the chicken, and the cake noodle is this. And then usually they make it with a broccoli or some green, but I only have napa cabbage today. Unfortunately, I ate a bulk of it already, so I'm so sorry. But it's so good. I thought it was recording. And you feel the crunchiness of the noodle. That's why it's such a favorite. Mmm. Mmm. There's a few more here. Mmm. These are just so golden. They're so good. Mmm. 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 I don't hear the crunch in there. Look at this. See the texture of the cake noodle? With the sauce dripping on it. Oh my god, it's so good. Oh. Mmm. Mmm. I use Japanese ramen. Hey, come try this. I'm recording. Hey, come try this. I'm recording.
Wait.
Try this. Cake noodle.
I'm good.
Try it. Try one piece.
I'm good.
Here.
I'm full.
Take a bite.
I don't like that noodle.
Just take a little piece.
I don't like. Did you put your thing on the thing?
Oh well.
Where is it?
Alright, I gotta go. Have a good one, man. Sorry, I couldn't record longer. I couldn't finish it all. Let's stop. I'll eat one more piece. Alright. Let's stop.